Hello, welcome back. Can you simplify this logarithmic expression? Let us do together step by step. They have given to us 2 log base 10 of 25 minus 3 log base 10 of 5 plus log of 10 of 20. The first step that we are going to do, we are going to return this power back and this power back. That will be equal to log base 10 of 25, by the power go back, that is going to be power 2, minus log base 10 of 5 power 3 plus log base 10 of 20. But we know if we have given log base b of x minus log base b of y, this is equal to log base b x over y. So we are going to use this law to this part here. As we can see, all of them, they have a base of 10. So this is going to be log base 10 of 25 power 2 over 5 power 3. But this plus log base 10 of 20. Let us simplify this part here. That is going to be log base 10, 25 power 2, that is 25 multiplied by 25, divided by 5 power 3, that is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, plus log base 10 of 20. By 5 is 1, by 5 I got 5, by 5 1, by 5 1, by 5 I got 1, by 5 it is 5. So here we remain with log base 10 of 5 plus log base 10 of 20. But from product rule, if we are given log base b of x plus log base b of y, this is equal to log base b x multiplied by y. So I'm going to use it here. This will be equal to log base 10 5 multiplied by 20. That is log base 10 5 multiplied by 20, we get 100. That is log base 10, 100 is the same as 10 power 2. Take the power in front of log, we are going to have 2 log base 10 of 10, but log base 10 of 10 is equal to 1, so we are going to have 2 multiplied by 1, and we are going to get the simplified answer is equal to 2. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on logarithm, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.